Chapter 1. Use of the station. Listen and practice. Excuse me, do you know which train goes to the airport?
Yes, you can take the express train on platform 2.
How often does the express train run?
It runs every 20 minutes.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket from the machines near the entrance or at the ticket counter.
Can I use a credit card to buy the ticket?
Yes, the machines accept credit cards.
Do I need to validate my ticket before boarding?
No, the ticket is valid once purchased, just keep it with you.
How long does the trip to the airport take?
It takes about 45 minutes on the express train.
Is there free Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, most express trains have free Wi-Fi.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
Chapter 2. Use of the airport. Listen and practice. Where is the domestic check-in counter?
It's on the second floor of this building. Please take the escalator up.
Where do I go for the baggage inspection?
The baggage inspection area is next to the check-in counter.
How can I get to the lounge?
After passing through security, turn left and keep going. The lounge is ahead.
Where can I find a currency exchange?
It's on the first floor. Take the escalator down and head to the left.
Where can I connect to Wi-Fi?
Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the airport. Just select the airport's network in your settings.
Where is the restaurant area?
After passing through security, the restaurant area will be on your right.
How do I move between terminals?
There's a free shuttle bus. The bus stop is just to the left as you exit.
Where is the taxi stand?
It's to the right as you exit the arrivals lobby.
If I lose something, where should I inquire?
The Lost and Found office is on the first floor. Take the escalator down and follow the signs.
Thanks for all the help.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Chapter 3. Using the hotel. Listen and practice. What time can I check in at this hotel?
You can check in from 3 p.m.
Where can I have breakfast?
Breakfast is served on the first floor in the restaurant, and it's available from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is there a safe in the room?
Yes, each room is equipped with a safe.
Is there a pool in the hotel?
Yes, we have an indoor pool on the top floor. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Is there a bar nearby where I can have a drink?
Yes, if you go right after exiting the hotel, there is a bar where you can have a drink about a 3-minute walk away.
Is room service available 24 hours a day?
I'm sorry, but room service is available from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Is there a shuttle bus to the airport?
Yes, we offer a free shuttle bus to the airport. It departs every hour, so please inform the front desk if you'd like to use it.
How can I use the laundry service?
Please place your laundry in the laundry bag provided in the room and bring it to the front desk. If you hand it in by 10 a.m., we will have it ready by the same day.
Are there any recommended tourist spots around here?
There's a famous tourist spot, Central Park, nearby. It's about a 15-minute walk, so I recommend visiting it.
Thank you for all the detailed information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Chapter 4. Using a restaurant. Listen and practice. Welcome to the restaurant. How many people in your party?
2.
Would you prefer a window seat or a seat at the counter?
A window seat, please.
What would you like to drink?
Water and a beer, please.
Here is today's special menu. Would you like to try something from it?
In that case, I'll have the recommended fish dish.
Would you like soup or salad?
I'll have a salad, please.
Would you prefer bread or rice?
Rice, please.
Have you decided on dessert?
I'll have the cheesecake, please.
Can you use a credit card? Or is it cash only?
We accept credit cards.
Do you have a points card?
Yes, I do, and I'd like to use it.
Thank you very much. Please visit us again.
Thank you. I'll be back.
Chapter 5. Shopping. Listen and practice. What kind of item are you looking for today?
I'm thinking of getting a new jacket.
What style of jacket do you prefer?
Something casual that I can wear every day would be great.
Do you have a preferred color?
Navy or black would be nice.
How about this jacket? The fabric is lightweight and very comfortable.
It looks good. How about the size?
What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium.
I'll bring you a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is over there. Let me show you.
Thank you. I'll try it on.
It looks great on you. How does the size and fit feel?
The size is just right, but it feels a bit tight.
We can get you a slightly roomier size. Shall I bring you a large?
Yes, I'd like to try the large as well. Thank you.
Thank you for your attentive service.
You're welcome. Thank you for your purchase. We look forward to seeing you again.
Chapter 6. School Enrollment. Listen and practice. What documents are required to enroll in this school?
You will need an application form, academic transcripts, and a medical certificate.
What subjects are included in the entrance exam?
The exam includes English, mathematics, and an interview.
How can I apply to live in the dormitory?
After you enroll, you can apply for a dorm room online. As long as there are available rooms, you can move in.
When will I receive my student ID?
You will receive it at the reception on the day of the entrance ceremony.
Where is the student lounge located?
It is on the first floor of Building C. It's a space that students can use freely.
Can you tell me about the school's club activities?
We have various clubs, including a soccer club, basketball club, and music club. You can join any club after enrollment.
What are the operating hours of the student cafeteria?
It's open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays.
Are there online classes available?
Yes, there are. If you can't attend classes on campus, you can take them online.
How can I check my grades?
You can check them anytime on the student portal. You will receive a notification when your grades are updated.
Thank you for all the information today.
You're welcome. I hope you have a wonderful school life.
Chapter 7. Apartment Rental. Listen and practice. Are there any available rooms in this apartment?
Yes, currently, 3 rooms are available.
What are the layouts of these rooms?
We have 2 room types and 3 room types. All rooms come with a kitchen and a bathroom.
How much is the rent for each?
The rent is $700 per month for the 2-room type, and $900 per month for the 3-room type.
What other costs are there besides the rent when moving in?
You'll need to pay a security deposit equivalent to 1 month's rent and a key money fee, also 1 month's rent.
Is there parking available within the apartment complex?
Yes, each room comes with 1 free parking space.
Is it possible to keep pets in this apartment?
I'm sorry, but pets are not allowed.
What facilities are available around the apartment?
There are supermarkets and drugstores within a 5-minute walk.
How is the security in the apartment?
There is an auto-lock system and security cameras installed.
Is there internet access in the apartment?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms.
Thank you for all the information. I will consider it further.
You're welcome. If you need any more assistance while making your decision, please let me know.
Chapter 8. Use of hospital services. Listen and practice. Is there anything I need to bring before seeing the doctor?
Yes, please bring your insurance card and a form of identification. If this is your first visit, you'll also need to fill out a medical questionnaire.
How do I cancel my appointment if I need to?
You can cancel your appointment by calling us at least 24 hours before your scheduled visit. A cancellation fee may apply if you cancel later.
Is it possible to get a health checkup at this hospital?
Yes, it is. Health checkups require an appointment, so please book by phone or online.
Can I also get vaccinated at this hospital?
Yes, we offer vaccinations for influenza and COVID-19. Vaccinations also require an appointment.
Is there a parking lot available?
Yes, we have a dedicated parking lot on the hospital premises. You can use it for free.
What payment methods do you accept?
We accept cash, credit cards, and debit cards. We also handle direct billing with some insurance companies.
If additional tests are needed after the consultation, how much will they cost?
It depends on the test, but a basic blood test usually costs between $100 and $200. We will explain the details during your consultation.
What should I do in case of an emergency?
In an emergency, please call an ambulance or come directly to our emergency room. The emergency room is open 24 hours a day.
Where can I pick up my medication after the consultation?
You can pick up your medication at the pharmacy within the hospital. You can bring your prescription or have us issue one here.
Is there a place in the hospital to get food?
Yes, there is a cafeteria on the first floor. It offers light meals and drinks, which you can enjoy while waiting for your appointment.
Thank you for explaining everything about the hospital so thoroughly.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
That's all for now. Besides YouTube videos, I also run a website where I share various English learning methods. Please feel free to check it out. However, please note that the content is written in Japanese. Thank you.